Trial for the woman accused of killing Minot College student Anita Knutson almost 20 years ago begins on Monday. Tonight, Joe Skrzyszewski shows us how her family and friends worked to keep the case fresh in the minds of the public for all those years.
After Anita Knutson's death in 2007, months and years would go by with lingering questions of who would do this to a bright young college student who seemed to be loved by all she knew. Little was known other than Anita had been found fatally stabbed in her apartment. But that didn't stop those close to Anita in doing what they could to continue to push for answers.
I have pictures of Anita that I took for her graduation.
I spoke with some of Anita's family and friends in 2017, 10 years after her death, who pleaded for anyone with information to come forward.
It's kind of frustrating that there's just this coward out there that just won't come forward and tell us that one piece of information we need to solve this.
I really feel somebody knows who did this.
10 years is a long time. You know, we don't want it to be another 10 years before we find out anything new.
Another way Anita's circle has worked to keep her memory alive is through this billboard south of Minot on Highway 83. You may have seen if you're heading into town. Minot police partnered with the community to put it up, asking the public for tips on the case. Anita's family and friends have maintained it over the years and through the seasons. The sign even blew down once a few years ago and was put back up. In our 2017 interview, Anita's sister Anna remembering her fondly.
I was in college going through just college life stuff. I wish I could have called her, talked to her about just the problems I was having.
While Anita's family and friends did what they could, Minot police investigators continued to work the case, one which the public wouldn't see any new developments. That is, until early 2022.
Tomorrow we'll have more on how a break in the case led to the 2022 arrest and charging of Nicole Rice, who is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Her trial begins in Grand Forks on Monday.